We all have heard about REITs, which is called Real Estate Investment Trust. But will investing in real estate investment trust help you achieve your future milestones? We have our industry expert Amit with us, who will give us a better understanding about REITs and also help us analyze, is it worth investing in REITs for our future financial goals. Amit, over to you.
Real estate, yes. Your first house should you should always buy a house. We as human beings, we want safety and security. You should always buy a house, okay? Provided you know you will live in this house for a long period of time. But if you have a traveling job, let's say you're in IT, where I'm not sure whether it's going to be Bangalore or Hyderabad or Mumbai, or maybe you go abroad, then I would say stay on a rent, don't buy a house. But if you know that you will live in this place for a long period of time, buy a house, because you would love that your husband, wife, and your children, you can say, okay, this place belongs to me. It gives you a lot of safety and security. So your first house should be there. But I don't like the idea of people buying real estate one after another. I would say try to keep all your money besides your house other into financial assets, equity mutual funds, fixed income, and that too gold mutual funds, and some amount of physical gold. That's sufficient. Unless and until you are a super HNI. What do I mean by super HNI? Super high network individual, where you're so wealthy that you have got a lot of money into equity mutual funds, a lot of money into fixed income, okay? And then maybe you want to buy one or two more properties more, then it's fine. But if you're like most of us, like a retail investor, I would say just have a house, a home, and then keep all your money into financial assets.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.